everyone, and welcome back to Emma's Awesome Videos. Today, Sweet Pea, I've decided, is just very photogenic, and she told me that she wants to have a photo shoot. Yeah? She said yes. So, let's give her one. Thanks for watching. Quick note before I go. Some of the photos, Sweet Pea looks really bad and just raggedy and old, kind of sickly looking. That's because she's molting in some. So don't freak out. She's perfectly healthy. See? Yes, you're a perfectly healthy bird. But no, that's just her molting. And in one of the photos, you see the edge of a tiny green cage. That's her travel cage in case she needs to go places instead of having her big cage. Her cage is actually fairly big and has lots of toys, food, water. She's very well taken care of and very well looked after. So don't go fretting and leaving nasty comments, cause don't worry, I'm taking care of her. So, if you like this video and you like Sweet Pea, give the thumbs up button a smash. And if you like my video and want to see more of them, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get more notifications, so you can get notified when I post a new video. I like doing my pets and animals a lot, so if you like animals, keep a lookout for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. This video has been Sweet Pea approved. Thanks for watching.